plus mn equals pm. So plus mn is equal to pm. Read over there. I guess. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for catching that mistake. So I'm sorry. You have to be real careful. So p to m is 19, and m to n is 23. And we're trying to find the whole distance from p. So this makes it a little easier. So what we have to do is we're going to substitute 19 for pm. So it's going to be 19 plus 23 for m. And when we do that, what do we get? So all we have to do is add the 2 seconds up.